Love kebabs? Today we're taking them to an entirely new level with chicken kabab masala, juicy kebabs slowly simmered in delicious and spicy gravy. Let's get started. Start by placing 1 kilogram of boneless chicken in a chopper. Chop the chicken until it becomes minced. Add 1 medium onion, 2 tablespoons of chopped ginger and garlic, a handful of coriander leaves, and 1 green chili to the chopper. Blend everything well until combined. Crack in 1 egg, add 1 tablespoon of tikka masala powder, half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, and salt to taste. Mix it all in the chopper until the spices are well incorporated. Shape the mixture into 12 oval-shaped kebabs, ready for frying. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan over low flame. Shallow fry the kebabs gently until they turn light brown. Slightly turn over the sides of the kebabs to ensure even cooking on all sides. Begin by heating half a cup of oil in a pan. Add 1 medium onion and cook until it turns light brown. Stir in 2 tablespoons of chopped ginger, garlic, and green chilies, cooking for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 3 tomatoes and cook until they become soft. Season with salt to taste, half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, and 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Drop in 1 chicken stock cube and mix well. Blend the mixture with a hand blender to make a smooth paste. Add the fried kebabs to the gravy. Let it cook on a low flame for 10 to 15 minutes so the kebabs soak up the flavors in the gravy. Finish with a sprinkle of Garam masala powder, fresh coriander leaves, green chilies, and ginger for garnishing. Your kebab masala is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy making and tasting this delicious chicken kebab masala. Have a wonderful day.